Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark LeMay. Did you know that toxins are everywhere? It's true. Here are some signs of toxic overload: fatigue, difficulty sleeping, indigestion, food cravings, weight gain, reduced mental clarity, low libido, skin issues, joint discomfort. Does this sound like you? If it does, there is hope. The purpose of this video is to show you how to achieve balance and transform your life. So, you are what you eat. The typical American diet favors processed foods that are high in fat, refined sugars, and salt. Processed foods often contain pesticides and artificial ingredients that can contribute to toxic buildup. So take a look at these US statistics. 80,000 chemicals are registered in the US. So can you probably guess that there's some of them in us? And then 800 million pounds of herbicides are used on our crops every single year. And then 167 industrial chemicals were found in adults with no employment-related exposure. So that just gives you an idea of how toxic our environment really is. Also, there are what are called endogenous toxins, which are things that occur outside of our body. And then there are what are called exogenous toxins. Oh, I'm sorry, back that up. Endogenous is inside the body, and exogenous toxins are outside the body. So an example of some exogenous toxins would be certain household cleaning products, cigarette smoke, dyes and paints, certain personal care products, heavy metals, pesticides and insecticides, of course, air and water pollutants, and again, the preservatives and additives that they put in our foods. Things that occur inside of our body are basically like free radicals, ammonia, and carbon dioxide are the main ones. The human body is an amazing place. Metabolic detoxification is our body's natural process of neutralizing and eliminating toxins from your body. This three-phase process unlocks fat-soluble toxins and converts them into water-soluble toxins that are easier for the body to remove. So let's go to the next slide here. When we talk about this, again, I'm just going to be brief about this. Basically, what your body can do is it's going to unlock, then neutralize and eliminate toxins from the body with this detoxification process. And if you read through this, it has a great example of how it does that. So SP Detox Balance Program provides your body with the additional nutritional support that it may need to metabolize and expel toxins safely during each of these three phases of the metabolic detoxification process. Getting ready for your journey, if you're going to be doing something like this, is very important to talk to me about your program, because I need to go over and get you prepared for this, because some of you may have digestive issues, elimination issues, or other issues that are going on that I need to know about so I can help you through that. And then the other things I need to find out is, again, if you've been very nutrient deficient throughout your last few years or maybe even decades, I need to make sure that you're getting certain nutrients to be able to help you with this program. Otherwise, it won't work very well. Some things you're going to have to get rid of, and I can hear you guys all crying right now. Coffee and alcohol will not be on the program. And we're also going to be eliminating certain foods from your diet that could be irritants to your body, and also you might even possibly have some sensitivities to. Now, this is a 28-day and a 10-day program. Now, if you've never done this process before, you're going to be doing a 28-day first, and then later we might be doing a 10-day reboot or reset with that one. And then we're going to go over also your diet requirements. This is a great picture that's a great example of the kind of food you get to eat on this program. So just going to tell you right off the bat here, you're going to be eating real foods, and you're going to be drinking some great shakes to help with this detoxification program. And again, we want to do something that's easy, safe, and healthy, and that is the SP Detox Balance Program. Also, this is really nice because to make these different shakes, all you have to do is scoop, mix it with some water, and enjoy it. This is actually a chai-flavored shake that you can have, and it has up to 17 grams of protein per shake. Now, when you're doing the 28-day program, if you can take a look at this chart here, you're going to be starting off in week 1 having anywhere from 1 to 2 shakes each day, building up to having a total of 3 shakes for 2 weeks, and then gradually moving back down to 2 and 1 shakes each day. And again, these are some great things because the shakes really help you out. And again, you get this great blender bottle that you can actually preload your shakes in beforehand. So that's something that comes with your program. Now, one thing I want to get across to everybody is this is a program where you're eating good proteins, good fats, and good carbohydrates. Again, you're eating real foods. This is going to help your body to eliminate toxins from the body. And this is a great example, again, of what your plate is going to be looking like, because you're going to be eating healthy grains, healthy fruits and vegetables, and you're also going to be eating some good, if you're a vegetarian, you're going to have some vegetarian proteins or lean meats and fish. But again, you can see how many servings of this you can have every single day. And of course, water. This is a really important thing on a detoxification program. And to give you an idea of what's best for you, is take your body weight divided by 2, and that will tell you how many ounces of water you should be drinking each day. And depending upon exercise and also, the temperature, if you're outside in warm weather, you're going to definitely need more water. Speaking of exercise really helps your body to remove toxins. So I really encourage my patients to get out there and exercise and do things that are going to help you to sweat and get more toxins out of the body. Then when your program is over, and I'm not going to go over a whole lot of this right now, because when we're done, what I want you to do is I want you to read through this, because we're going to go through this whole program guide when you do the program so that we can talk about this later. Then some different tools that I like to use on the program to help me better identify your needs and what you are going to be going through is the Toxicity Questionnaire. The Toxicity Questionnaire really helps me to do 3 things. Number 1, assesses your need for detoxification. Number 2, are you even ready to do something like this? And then number 3, how you might feel during the program. Again, this is about balance. The whole program is about balance. You're not going to be starving yourself. You're going to be getting to eat a lot of great vegetables, fruits, healthy grains, lean meats, fish, and vegetarian proteins, and other things that you can have on the program. So here's one thing I want you to do in the booklet when you get it, is I want you to take out a highlighter, and I want you to highlight all the different vegetables, fruits, meats, healthy grains, all the different things that you can eat on this program. And I think you'll find that you'll be pleasantly surprised at how much you get to eat while you're on this program. And then also decoding labels. This is something we should all be doing, but we probably just don't. We always kind of look at the price. We don't look at the label. So I want you to take a look at this page and also take a look at your foods that you're buying when you're doing the program. And then here's another one that I'm not going to actually go through this, but these are ingredients to watch for. I think you can read through this and you'll probably go, yeah, duh, I should be staying away from these things. And then sample meals. This is a great page where you can take a look at each day of the week, how many shakes you're going to be having, and then, what you can have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And also if you want to enhance your different shakes and make them a little bit more different than just having a chai flavor. So there is day 1 all the way through day 7 here that you can take a look at, and it shows you all the different things that you can have. I think you'll find this is some great food. And again, when you take a look at this, we have breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, dinner, snack recipes. You have a plethora of different options for you to have on this program. Same goes for the shakes. Again, if you want to enhance them a little bit, there's some great recipes in here for different types of shake that you can do to give yourself a little bit of variety. And then another important tool that you want to make sure that you're doing during the program is checking how much protein you're going to be eating during the program. And it's important because this will help to, get your detoxification pathways working and clearing things out here. So I'm going to just use me as an example. Like I weigh right around about 170 pounds. So I'm going to need to eat each day at least 75 to 120 grams of protein each day. And then this is a really nice chart of the 28-day program that shows you each day. And again, it talks about, shakes, how many shakes you have in each day, how much protein. Again, you're going to track your protein here too, so you know how much total protein each day that you're doing, how much water you're consuming, your exercise, how are you feeling, and then just some notes. And I really encourage you to do this, because as you go through the program, you're really going to see how are you doing, because you'll see it get better and better throughout the program. And then for some of you, you may need some additional support both before, during, and after the program. I'll go over that with you later. Change is challenging. You may be feeling a little bit overwhelmed right now. I know how you feel. I felt the same way the first time that I did this program, just like everyone else. But we are here to guide you every step of the way. So again, achieve balance, transform your life. Call our office at 916-965-8171 to order your SP Detox Balance Program today. See a whole new you in just 28 days. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay. Thanks for watching.